3D printing has come a long way, but switching materials, changing colors, and reducing wasted filament are still challenges for many printers. Today, we're reviewing the Snapmaker U1 3D printer, one of the newest high-performance desktop 3D printers featuring 4 independent toolheads, an ultra-fast 5-second tool changer, multicolor and multi-material printing, CoreXY motion, speeds up to 500 mm per second, and a generous 270x270x270 mm build volume. But does it truly deliver professional-level printing performance? Let's find out. The Snapmaker U1 is built for makers, engineers, designers, educators, and small businesses looking for a faster, smarter, and more versatile 3D printing experience. Unlike conventional printers that require manual filament changes or complex multicolor systems, the U1 uses interchangeable toolheads, allowing it to switch between materials or colors in just seconds. Whether you're printing prototypes, functional parts, artistic models, or educational projects, this printer is designed to maximize productivity while minimizing waste. The standout feature is undoubtedly the 5-second automatic tool changer. Instead of purging large amounts of filament during color changes, the printer swaps to another toolhead almost instantly. This enables multicolor and multi-material printing while dramatically reducing wasted filament. Snapmaker claims up to 5x less material waste, making long multicolor projects significantly more efficient. The printer includes 4 dedicated toolheads, allowing multiple materials or colors to remain loaded simultaneously. This opens possibilities for complex prints using different colors or support materials without constant manual intervention. Performance is another major strength. The CoreXY motion system allows print speeds of up to 500 mm per second, helping complete projects much faster than many traditional desktop printers. Snapmaker also includes smart automatic calibration, simplifying bed leveling and improving first layer consistency. The large 270x270x270 mm build volume provides plenty of room for larger prototypes, cosplay parts, engineering models, and batch production. The modern touchscreen interface and user-friendly software make daily operation much easier, even for users upgrading from entry-level machines. In real-world printing, the Snapmaker U1 performs impressively. The automatic tool changing system works smoothly, allowing clean transitions between colors and materials without excessive downtime. Print quality remains sharp even at higher speeds, thanks to the rigid CoreXY design. Automatic calibration helps improve print reliability while reducing setup frustration. The combination of fast movement, reduced material waste, and multiple toolheads makes the U1 especially attractive for creators who regularly print complex models. Whether you're producing prototypes, educational models, decorative prints, or engineering components, this printer offers professional-level flexibility. So, is the Snapmaker U1 3D printer worth buying? If you're looking for a next-generation desktop 3D printer with multicolor printing, multi-material capability, automatic tool changing, high-speed CoreXY performance, and smart calibration, the Snapmaker U1 is one of the most exciting options available. The combination of 4 toolheads, 5-second automatic tool changes, 500 mm per second printing speed, large build volume, and reduced material waste makes it an excellent choice for professionals, creators, educators, and serious hobbyists. While it's priced above entry-level 3D printers, the productivity gains, printing flexibility, and advanced automation can easily justify the investment for users who print regularly. If you'd like to check the latest Amazon price or current discounts, you'll find the affiliate link in the description below. If this review helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more honest reviews of 3D printers, maker tools, creative technology, and the latest Amazon innovations. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.